Hi, I'm Alex with Passion Built Tree Care. Today we're in Reno removing a dead Scottish pine. As you can see, it had quite a few pitch moth hits. Clearwing lace moth lands on the tree, plants its larva, then begins to eat the living tissue. That was probably just one of multiple factors that caused the tree to die. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to have Mario, our climber here, go ahead and limb it up. Once the top is dropped, we'll start sectioning out rounds to be used as firewood in the future. And then we'll come back to do a stump grinding. Our climber apprentice, Mario, has limbed up the tree. He's starting to chunk out some logs. He's doing great, fantastic for his first full removal. So our apprentice just finished felling the tree. When we come to the stump, we can see that the hinge wood he left was cut in such a manner to control it, keep it away from the fire hydrant and on the lawn away from the curb and concrete. He did a great job, leaving more holding wood on the household side and less on the fire hydrant side. Fantastic first large felling cut for our apprentice climber. Good job.